The following video will show you how to remove the stock catback exhaust on all 2008 through 2023 5.7-liter Dodge Challengers.
So we're going to start things off by grabbing some lubricant and spraying down our middle hangers here, as well as our AccuSeal clamps up at our H-pipe. This is just going to help things come off a little bit smoother, especially if your factory system has been on for a while. And we also live in the Northeast, which tends to get salty and rusty, so lubricant never hurts. So we'll go ahead and spray these down real quick. And we'll get our clamps over here. So now we've got pole jacks underneath the rear of our system here. That's going to give us some extra support. And what we're going to do is come to our muffler section, and we're going to remove the isolator and hanger all as one assembly. So there's two 13mm bolts up here under our chassis. Kind of hard to see, but they're pretty much straight up above from your mufflers. So we'll grab our 13mm socket and extension on our impact and go ahead and get those off. Now we can go ahead and do the same thing for our other muffler. Next, we can go ahead and come back to these hangers that we sprayed down with our lubricant previously and grab our hanger removal tool. Go ahead and pop these hangers out of their isolators. Go ahead and pop that out. Then we can go ahead and do the same thing for our other hanger. So now that we have everything else undone, we can come to our mid pipe here and undo those clamps with our 15mm socket on our impact. Then we're going to move our pole jacks out of the way while we have an extra set of hands to support the rear of the exhaust, and we can pull this down in one assembly. So now we're going to come back to our stock setup here and remove the two isolators at the muffler section of our system. So we'll grab our hanger removal tool, just go ahead and pop these right off. Then you can go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Then we're going to swap them over to our new setup.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Challenger, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.